Hello, students. Do you know what you will learn in this video? Yes, you will learn what is magma, what is lava, and what is volcanic eruption. In this video, you will watch the video of magma formation along with the audio of description and volcanic eruption as well. Now move to our topic magma and lava. See this video and know how the magma is forming under the surface of earth. Now I will tell you what is the magma. The hottest liquid and semi-liquid rock is located underneath the surface of the earth, which is called magma. I will repeat for your better understanding of magma. The hottest liquid and semi-liquid rock is located underneath the surface of the earth, which is called magma. Now, it is a general question. Do you know what is lava? Answer to this question is that lava is the flow of magma onto the surface of the earth. In other words, we can say when magma come to the surface of the earth from the under surface of the earth and flow on the face of earth, it is called lava. So lava is the flow of magma onto the surface of the earth. Lava is the flow of magma onto the surface of the earth. I hope you have understand the phenomenon that lava is the flow of magma onto the surface of the earth. If you have understand, now we will move ahead and know what is volcanic eruption. So friends, volcanic eruption is, are you watching in this short video that is running by side of the description of the volcanic eruption. The description or explanation of volcanic eruption, that is the explosion of gases, fragments of rocks and magma, that is lava under the surface earth's surface through a vent onto the surface of the land, is called a volcanic eruption. The explosion of gases, fragments of rocks and magma under the earth's surface through a vent onto the surface of the land is called a volcanic eruption. I hope you have understand the concept of volcanic eruption. We can say the volcanic eruption is the coming of the magma from the under surface to the surface from a breach or a hole on the surface of land with the high pressure, that is called the volcanic eruption. In more simple words, I try to explain again the volcanic eruption so that you can grasp the idea of volcanic eruption in its true form. We can say the discharge of magma from the undersurface to the surface with high pressure from a hole is called volcanic eruption. I hope now you have understand the whole concept of volcanic eruption and you can explain how volcanic eruption is takes place. And this video will help you for better understanding of the difference between magma and lava and volcanic eruption. That's it. Here we have completed our video of today. If you like this video and if you feel this is very useful for you, you can subscribe my channel and comment and share and like the channel study for you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.